Item number one.
Yes.
My lord, to the present petition, my lord, the petition is challenging, my lord, the constitutionality of the section 3(1) of the Arunachal Pradesh District-Based Entrepreneurs Professionals Incentive Development and
Admit.
Promotion Act 2015.
Hard admit.
My lord,
We'll proceed to hearing.
my lord, yes, my lord, this matter may be admitted if needed.
Hard admit. Since all the police are represented, let's to hearing.
My lord. Much.
Yes.
As per order dated 27/2023, respondent authority was supposed to file affidavit.
I will be given some more time also. We have received the instruction.
Okay. How much time?
2 weeks time also.
Ask Mr. R. Ingo Learned Counsel for the petitioner and Mr. S. Tapil Learned Senior Government Advocate who submits that instruction to file counter affidavit has been received for which he prays for and is granted 2 weeks time. Let's sit after 4 weeks.
Connected cases, item 5, 6, and 7. also.
Same order.
My lord, after filing this appeal.
Oh, this is that juvenile.
Yes, yes, yes.
What is the order? Determining the juvenility?
Yes, Your Honor. Order dated 18 August 2023.
18 August 2023 by the special
Session courts UPR.
POCSO?
No,
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 okay,
POCSO.
okay. all right.
This is regular case.
Sessions court.
Yes,
What is that?
it is already submitted.
Already submitted.
Yes,
Where it is?
by the Srestridhar Sessions Court.
Just.
Court already submitted registry.
Just find out where is the.
Submitted by Srestridhar Sessions Court.
All right. It is here. Do you have a copy of this one? 18.
This call. For first one.
Sessions court. You give a copy. See, whenever any report is received in a division bench matter, it should always be there in the second copy also. It has to be told to the registry. What is the impugned judgment?
Indian judgment is page number 14 of my petition.
Page number
14 is the annexure 1 and
what?
operative portion is
No. Page number
page number 14.
14.
Yes, 14.
Okay.
The judgment order. And operative portion is page number 33.
convicted under 302.
Yes, convicted under 30.
And what is the sentence?
Sentence imprisonment for life.
And to pay a fine of rupees 2,000.
Yes, Your Honor. My lord.
Page number 38, that is the sentence order, your lordship.
30?
38, your lordship.
38 is sentence.
38 is the sentence.
Yes, warrant of commitment of a sentence of imprisonment or fine.
This is dated?
13 March 2018.
No. Sentence is dated 13 March 2018.
Yes, your lord.
Sentence dated 6 February 2018.
What is this 38? We could find in page 34 sentence as well.
Yes, my lord.
Is not it?
Yes, your lordship. Here, it has been pronounced directly in the final judgment, your lordship. Otherwise, date of sentence should be separate one.
Then what will be the effect of 34 order?
34, your lordship, it was confirmed in page number 37, your lordship. Sentence hearing is required under 235 subsection 2 CRPC. It's in page number 37.
37.
Yes, your lordship. Answer is I.
Here, question was put to the accused.
Yes, your lordship.
Then he admitted.
Yes.
Then what happened?
Then after that, your lordship, it's in para 38, your lordship.
Yes, clause 7.
Yes, your lordship. Clause 7 is written, state the punishment and was sentenced to fully and distinctively rigorous imprisonment for life with fine of rupees 2,000 for convict under section 303 IPC, and in default of fine, further rigorous imprisonment for 2 months.
We would like to know the date of this order.
That order that give under my hand and seal of the court on this 13th March 2018, your lordship.
Okay, given under 13 March. Okay. Judgment is 13/3/2018.
Yes, judgment date is also same.
It is the same date.
Yes,
13th day, yes, 13th March 2018.
13 March 2018.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
I think that.
Yes. So we set aside the sentence
He only said this, your lordship. Yes, by sustaining the conviction, your lordship.
and further direction would be to,
Release.
no, he will not be required to send to the juvenile board.
Your lordship, there is a judgment from the Honorable Supreme Court also that in case if the accused is found to be or convicted, a person is found to be in conflict with law, your lordship. In that case, he can be sent to the special home for not more than 3 years, your lordship. But here in this case, he has been already undergo for sentence for 10 years, your lordship. So considering that aspect, your lordship, Supreme Court in the Dharamveer Singh case, your lordship, that aspect has been considered and your lordship, the accused has been released forthwith, your lordship.
Okay.
This is the your lordship judgment just for reference, your lordship.
So we need not refer it to juvenile board.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. Hold on. No, eh? Let's see that.
Yes, your lordship judgment.
And my lord, in Manuel Haq Ahmed versus State of Assam, in GLT, it is 2022, volume 1, GLT 801. It is same also, Your Honor.
Your lordship from
One by one.
okay.
Yes.
Para 16, 17, 19, and 20. May I read, your lordship?
Para 16.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
In the present case, as per the report of registrar submit in the term of section 7A of Act of 2000, the age of the appellant as on the date of commission of the offence, that is so and so, was 16 years, 9 months, and 8 days. The correctness of the estimate of the age by registrar is not questioned by the state. The parties have therefore accepted the correctness of the age determined by the learned registrar. In our considered opinion, in the light of the aforesaid legal position, the appellant has to be held to be a juvenile as on date of commission of the offence for which he has been convicted and is to be governed by the provision of Act of 2000. Having held so, the next question for consideration is to what order or on sentence is to be passed against the appellant for the offences committed by him under section 302 and 307, read with section 34 IPC, correctness whereof has not to be put in issue before us. Now, your lordship, para 19, your lordship. In the instead case, as per the information furnished to us, the appellant has undergone an actual period of sentence of 2 years, 4 months, and 4 days, and he is now age 35 years. We feel that keeping in view the age of the appellant, it may not be conducive to the environment in the special home and to the interest of other juvenile housed in the special home to refer him to the board for passing order for sending the appellant to a special home or keeping him at some other place of safety for the remaining period of less than 8 months, the maximum period of which he can now be kept in either of the two places. Accordingly, while sustaining the conviction of the appellant for the aforesaid offence, we quash the sentence award to him and direct him release forthwith, if not required in any other case, the appeal succeed party to extend indicate above.
Here, what is the age of the appellant?
17 years,
17 years.
4 months.
4 months, 19 days.
No, no, now.
Now 25 or 26 years.
Approximately 26 years now.
So here he was released because he was as a 34 years
Yes, your
by
lordship.
that time.
Yes,
And the court felt that if he is sent to a remand home, special home,
yes, your
it will be not in the interest of the other juveniles.
Yes, your lordship. There are other judgments also where your lordship, the 3 years that has already been reiterated by the Honorable Supreme Court that he can kept in the juvenile home for not exceeding 3 years. But in many cases, the juvenile has been kept in the imprisonment for sentence for more than 10 years and 15 years. Then age has been determined. In those cases, the Honorable Supreme Court has held that since he is found to be a juvenile, he cannot be kept in the special home for more than 3 years. So that aspect has been considered in many other cases also.
What is your decision?
In Mainul Haq Ahmad versus State of Assam, Honorable Guwahati High Court has also stated in that,
Have you given the list of books?
yes, in Mainul Haq case also, after filing of appeal, Honorable Guwahati High Court has directed the Sessions Court to determine the juvenility of the appellant. And it was declared as juvenile. So same is in paragraph, operative portion is para 6. and
Para
6,
6.
7. Yes. madam.
Yes.
In para 6 is in a Dharambir case, it was cited by the learned PP. And in para 8, para 7 is in case of Lakan Lal versus State of Bihar and Papu Lal. It is reported in 2011, volume 2, SSC 251. In the Honorable Supreme Court has the occasion to deal with a matter of similar nature. In that case also, the two appellants were tried by the learned session judge and convicted under section 302, read with section 34 of IPC. However, the plea of juvenility was raised before the appellate court, and on inquiry, it was turned out that the appellant were below 18 years on the date of occurrence. By relying on the earlier decision, in the case of the Dharambir Supra, the apex court has observed the following observation. Both the appellant have crossed the age of 40 as at present, and therefore it will not be conducive to the environment in the special home, and at any rate, they have undergone an actual period of sentence of more than 3 years, the maximum period provided under section 15 of 2008, that is JJ Act. In the circumstances, while sustaining the conviction of appellant for the offense punishable under section 302, read with section 34 IPC, the sentence awarded to them are set aside. They are accordingly directed to be released forthwith. This view of ours is to set aside the sentence supported by the decision of this court in Dharambir. In this case also, the appellant were directed to release. The maximum period.
Where is the earlier order passed by the Sessions Court determining the age of the juvenility, the age of the accused? You must have annexed it in the.
Yes,
affidavit.
in annexure to IRN.
Page 39, I think.
Page 39. Yes, page 39.
Yes, page 39, annex 2.
Heard Ms. J. Doji, Learned Legal Aid Counsel for the appellant, Mr. T. Ete, Learned APP for the state. Representing respondent number 1 and Ms. L. G. Learned Counsel for respondent number 2. Who is respondent number 2?
Mother of the appellant.
Mother
Informant,
of the appellant, mother was the
informant.
complete informant.
Informant, yes, and the deceased was a father.
This is the father
Yes, sir.
for the respondent number two, stop informant. This is an appeal. Referred under section 374(2) of the graduate section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Challenging the judgment and order dated 13/3/2018, as well as the order of sentence dated 13/3/2018, passed by the London Sessions Court, West Session Division, UPR, in Sessions Case number 58/14 YPA under section convicting the appellant under section 302 of the IPC, and thereby sentencing the appellant to undergo an imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 2,000 with default stipulation. So the basis for the ground on which the impugned judgment and order dated 13/3/2018, as well as the sentence dated 13/3/2018, passed by the London Sessions Judge, so and so in session case number 58/2014 under section 302 IPC, is the order dated 12/1/2023, passed by the London Sessions Court, UPR, in Miss Case number 02/2023, in Sessions Case number 58/14 YPA, whereby the appellant has been declared a juvenile being aged 17 years, 4 months and 19 days on the date of commission of offense I-23/8/2014. Stop. On examination of the order dated 12/1/2023, passed in Miss Case number 2/2023, in Sessions Case number so and so by the Sessions Court, UPI, declaring the appellant to be a juvenile. It was found that the determination of the juvenility of the appellant by the aforesaid order dated 12/1/2023 was not made in accordance with law. So accordingly, this court, by an order dated 25/7/2023, had directed the London Sessions Court, UPI, to redetermine the juvenility of the appellant in the Miss Case number 2/2023
23.
2023. You write wide order dated 25/7/2023 as well as 3/1/2023 to redetermine the juvenility of the appellant on the miscase number 02/2023 filed by the appellant by following due process of law. So, pursuant thereto, just a moment. Before that, after the juvenility of the appellant was determined by the London Sessions Court in UPA, a report of such determination made was directed to be sent to this court and the appeal be listed accordingly. So it is pursuant to the aforesaid order, learned pursuant to the aforesaid order, learned Sessions Court UPA has passed an order in the miscase number 2/2023 filed in Sessions case number 58/2014 dated, did I say dated 18/8? No, dated 18/8/2023, whereby comma, report of which has been sent to this court. So we have perused the order dated 18/8/2023 passed in IN number 02/23 in session case number so and so. So on perusal of the order dated 18/8/2023 passed in IN number so and so, we find that the appellant has been found to be a juvenile, being aged 17 years, 4 months, and 19 days at the time the offense was committed, i.e. 23/8/2014. So the aforesaid determination has been made by providing an opportunity, has been made by Learned Sessions Court UPA by providing an opportunity to the learned public prosecutor representing the estate, who appears to have not just has been met by providing an opportunity to the learned PP. So the petitioner has spent how much time in jail? Sorry, the appellant 10 years.
9 years.
9 years.
As on today, 9 years, 1 month and 2 days.
Okay, the paragraph, the appellant by now is stated to have spent 9 years, 2 months,
9 years, 1 month,
1 month
2 days.
and 2 days as on today.
Yes.
Okay, or 2 days as on today, of 2 days of imprisonment as on today. So, yeah. Since the appellant has been determined to be a juvenile at the time the offense was committed by the order dated 18/8/2023, passed in IN number, passed in this case number 02/2023 by the London Sessions Court UPA by providing an adequate opportunity to the London Public Prosecutor, and the said order dated 18/8/2023 passed by the London Sessions Judge in IN number so determining the appellant to be juvenile has not been put to challenge by any of the has been put to challenge either by the estate or by the respondent number 2 complainant. Complainant, we hereby set aside the sentence of life imprisonment along with fine of rupees 2,000
2,000.
pass RI rigorous
Imprisonment, your lordship.
RI life rigorous imprisonment for life with fine of rupees 2,000 passed by the London Sessions Court UPA in sessions case number 58/2014 UPA under section 302 IPC, while upholding the
Conviction.
conviction. So after the sentence dated 13 March 2018 passed by the London Sessions Judge in case number so and so, having been set aside on the appellant having been found to be a juvenile by the London Sessions Court in the order dated 18/8/2023 passing IN number so and so. The next course this court the next course open to this court was to refer the matter
To the board.
to the concerned juvenile justice board
Yes.
for passing of an appropriate order in the matter. So, however, since the appellant is stated to have suffered 9 years, 2 months,
1 month.
1 month and 2 days of imprisonment pursuant to the impugn sentence dated 13/3/2018. And by taking note of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Dharamveer versus State within bracket LCT of Delhi and another 2010 5 SCC 344 and a decision of this court in the case of Mainul Haq Ahmad Mohammed versus State of Assam 2022 1 GLT 806 we are of the view that the appellant need not be referred to the concerned juvenile justice board for passing of any further order, and the appellant be set at liberty forthwith. All right,
Other cases, your lordship.
if not required in any other case.
Yes. Obliged.
Wait, wait, Lord.
Yes,
My lord, I have instructions to enter appearance on behalf of respondent numbers 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11.
okay.
If my learned friend can serve a copy of the petition to me, my lord will grant me some time to my lord file it.
5,
6,
note down.
5, 6, 7, 10, and 11.
Okay.
I'll file my Wakaran now, my lord.
Lot of people, what is the matter about?
Construction of this construction of perfect works, development works carried out by different departments.
Okay,
Their irrigation, money has been for.
have you filed any complaint?
Yes.
Where?
Page number 128. Onward.
Before? Officer in charge?
Yes. Yes, my lord.
SIC?
Yes.
You are not arguing anything.
My lord.
Okay.
My lord,
That
uh,
Mr. Oh, Dugong, comes for the petitioner. Then, yes. Pangin, we have noted. Yes. Who else is
I'm praying
appearing?
for some time, my lord.
I. Sorry, Copilis, it is 5 years. I am only for 16.
Okay, G Tarak for 16. Standing Council RWD. Yes. All other. One is Standing Council for SIC for 3 and 4.
I'm appearing for 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay,
And your
Uh,
lordship, I'm for
yes.
respondent number
Just a
1.
moment. 12, 13. 12, 13, 14,
15, 15.
14, 15. Sorry, I forgot the name. Arkoi. P Pangu for
Respondent number 1, 2, and 17, your lordship.
1, 2, and 17.
Yes, your lordship.
Then I think everybody is represented. All are represented.
for 8 and 9 is,
8 and 9 not represented.
yes.
Okay. You have taken, they are contractors.
Yes.
Have you taken steps?
Yes.
All right. All of you will file affidavit.
Yes.
How much time? On the prayer of Islamic Council for the respondents listed after 6 weeks for filing of a counter affidavit. So, this Islamic Council for the petitioner shall take press steps for service of notice upon respondent number 8 and 9 by registered post with AD as will be usual process within a week. Listed after 6 weeks.
Lordship, as per office note dated 22/9/23, service report upon respondent number 4, 9, 11, 24, and 25 are still available.
Ms. N, when the counsel for the appellant submits that service report of respondent number 4, 9, 11, 24, and 25 are still awaited as indicated in the office note dated 22/9/2023. So. In view of whatever submissions made and as per list it after 4 weeks with service report of the opposite respondent.
May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, today I have filed wakalatnama
For which
For-
respondent?
for respondent number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, you are
Nine.
appearing for 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
All right. Then you are
9,
had Miss N Anju learned counsel for the appellant. Jamo for whom?
and for 1, 2.
One? Okay, T Jamo, learned standing counsel for the education department for R1 and 2. As well as E Minjo for respondent number.
Your Lordship, so far, we have filed wakalatnama for,
Just number 3,
yes, number 3, Your Lordship, 4,
4,
5,
write down, 5,
6,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 35, Your Lordship.
okay, have you noted down? What is the matter about?
We are challenging the reversion order, Your Lordship.
Okay, learned counsel for the appellant shall take press step for service of notice upon the remaining respondents who have not yet been served within a week. Listed after 6 weeks.
Lordships, we have taken first steps, Your Lordship.
Okay, you want to wait for the service?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Listed after 6 weeks along with the service report of the remaining respondents who are yet to be served.
Much.
May I, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I may be allowed to file affidavit to explain the 56 days of delay, which on last occasion I was asked to explain the 56 days of delay.
you're appearing for the appellant.
Yes,
What is this IA?
for condemnation of delay.
You had filed condemnation bill without any explanation.
The 56 days has not been clearly explained, so I was asked to
On the
explain.
prayer of Mr. B. Taipod Lanak counsel for the appellant listed applicant listed after 6 weeks. What can be done?
6 weeks is too much. Here in this case, interim order is there.
Interim order is there
Yes,
without condemnation, without.
other matter.
But in this case, there is no interim order. You move back an application for vacation of those stay order.
They, instead of filing appeal, read appeal, they have challenged the reversion was done as per the judgment given in the single judge. Then they should make an appeal before the DV. Instead of make an appeal to the DV, they have filed again before the single bench, and single bench has given the stay order, interim order. So here there are a lot of technicalities. They have shown the affidavit on 9/9/2022, but they have filed the petition on 5/11/2022. That is that question we have raised.
But I don't think pendency of this IA and the appeal is causing any prejudice to your client.
Because he was reverted and the reverted order has been stayed illegally.
Not in this case. In this appeal,
No, not in this appeal.
I think no order of the court is there either in this IA or the appeal, which is listed today, which causes prejudice to your client?
Obviously, unless there is a combination of delay is allowed.
Yes.
My senior is referring to another appeal matter.
Under appeal.
Yeah, similar nature, where there is an appeal. And here, the conduct of the petition, I do not offer and correct. But instead of challenging single bench order, while of the filing for a division bench, they again file a writ petition, wherein they have obtained stay order against the reverse.
Then what you do is,
So that you have to apply what a single bench.
you don't object to the condolation application, we allow it.
No, we have filed,
And if there is no merit in this writ appeal, we'll dismiss it today itself.
yes. It should be
Alright.
dismissed.
So
Uh,
IA will allow,
No, I have only filed a reply.
huh?
I have filed the affidavit in the IA,
In the IA, you object to the condonation,
condonation.
then we will have to hear.
Yes,
He is seeking time.
so it should not be 6 weeks.
Okay.
I mean to say that it
4
it should
weeks.
not be hard,
4 weeks is okay.
4 weeks.
Okay, 4 weeks. Yes. all right. Yes.
My lord, I
Yes.
am appearing on behalf of respondent number 5. Today I am filing in Wakalatnama.
You are appearing for respondent number 5.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Nabum, you have filed affidavit?
Yes, my lord, we have filed the affidavit.
Okay,
For
all
all
right.
4 matters.
Yes, what is your prayer?
My lord, my prayer is adjourned.
Huh?
Adjournment for some time, maybe file in objection.
Okay, how much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Add Mr. Y. Ram. S. Ram. Now, counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Arish Naman, one additional advocate general representing respondents 1 to 4, who submits that the counter affidavit by the respondents 1 to 4 have been filed. Mr. Hard also, Mr.
Dalbong, Dalbong,
A.
Dalbong.
Nalbong, one the counsel for the respondent number 5, who pressed for and is granted 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. All right, list it after 3 weeks.
Your lordship, this is a jail appeal, your lordship.
In the case, the petitioner is serving with the ABC computer operator. And he was posted at Anini RWD division in 2018. Thereafter, he was once transferred, but he was not released. This is his second transfer. Now also he has not been released. That's why I have come to the court.
Transfer matter. Huh? It is a transfer matter.
Transfer matter.
Well, what is the order?
Order is annexure 4, page 14. Page 14. This is the dated 25 August 2020. Page
Yes, 25th August 2020.
No, this is his first transfer.
Okay, first time.
But he was not released. The second transfer is page 16. This is type copy. Type copy. This transfer order was made on 24 July 2023.
Okay,
And no representation will be entertained. The movement must be completed within 30 days from the date of issue of this order.
RWC means what?
Huh?
Not RWC.
Circle,
A circle.
rural work circle.
Okay, you want to be in Pasigat?
Because I have been transferred.
My lord, problem with me is my instruction that the relievers
he have not yet joined. Because of that, they did not release him.
Who is the reliever?
Reliever is Motilal Majumdar. In the page 16, second.
No, that cannot be the ground.
That
When
is-
he will join, who knows?
Yeah, that is my instruction.
You release? Is not it?
Yeah, otherwise also transferring authorities are also confused why he is not released. From executive, it says that the reliever
Okay.
is not.
Transferring authority is chief engineer.
Yes,
And who will release?
executive engineer.
Executive engineer.
Respondent number 2.
The reason given is no reliever has joined.
Had Mr. M. Patil, London Senior Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Why you have brought the chief secretary in?
No, state, because executive engineer is not state.
Hmm,
He cannot represent it.
all right. I Ram, London Additional Senior Counsel for R1. And Mr. G. Tarak, London Standing Counsel for the RWD department. The petitioner is aggrieved by the action of the respondent number 2 in not releasing him from the post of LDC come computer operator RWD Anini in terms of the transfer order dated 24th July 2023 issued by the Chief Engineer Coordination Rural Works Department Itanagar, page 16 by number so and so. So not stop, whereby the petitioner has been posted at RWC, Pasigat. So the by an order dated 31/8/2023, the Standing Counsel for the RWD was granted time to receive instruction in the matter. So Mr. Tarak, Counsel for the London Standing Counsel RWD Department on instruction submits that the petitioner has not been released from RWD Anini because his reliever Sri Matilal Majumdar LDC RWC Pasigat, who has been posted in his place by the same transfer order, has not yet joined. So from para on perusal of the order of transfer dated 24th July 2023, it is noticed that the authorities have prescribed and on perusal of the order dated transfer order dated 24th July 2023, wherever the petitioner has been transferred to Pasigat, and in his place, one Sri Matilal Majumdar LDC has been brought in. It is entirely no, it has been provided that the movement must be completed within 30 days from the date of issue of the order, by the post office. Today is 25th, huh?
It is 25.
Since since 30 days have elapsed since the order dated 24 July 20, transfer order dated 24 July 2022 was issued. There can be, I find that there can be no impediment for the authorities to release the petitioner from the post of LDC, computer operator RW Andini, to enable him to join at RWC Pasigat. So in view of the above, respondent number 2, the executive engineer, Rural Works Division, Andini Divangal, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, is directed to forthwith release the petitioner in terms of the transfer order dated, control accept the transfer. All right, it's on the fourth.
After a long time on this side. I'm just praying for a notice.
This side means,
Petition.
is it? Okay. This is by company. Okay.
This is pertains to a contract,
Hmm.
which was the executing agency was this respondent number 1, Hindustan Steel Works. And the work pertained to Indo-Tibetan Border Police. And what had happened was originally the contract period was 18 months. They unilaterally reduced it to 15 months. I started work on a war footing. They did not even hand over the site. Only 20% of the site was handed over after about several months. So ultimately, I said that this is impossible. This is a contract which is impossible to complete with the stipulated time. So you foreclose the contract and give me my entitled benefit. That they have been holding on to. So at this stage, I am praying for just a notice. Let it be.
Mr. I told Senior Counsel for the petitioner. Here for
I'm for, on behalf of M. Khatam, respondent
you-
number 5,
5.
7, and 8.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes,
And Sora.
and so.
Learned Counsel for respondent number. Represent Union of India, representing respondent number 5, 6, 7, 8.
1 to 4 registered posts.
Issue notice. Returnable in 4 weeks. As Mr. Sora has accepted notice on behalf of respondents 5 to 8, no formal notice will be sent, extra copies will be furnished to him during course of the day. Steps for service of notice upon respondent 1 to 4 be taken by registered post with AD as well as the usual process within a week. Listed after 4 weeks.
May I pray for a date, returnable date?
Okay.
If it can be on 6th of November.
Okay, then don't say 4 weeks. Notice returnable 6th of November.
Item 6 is also similar.
Same.
Your lordship can process it.
Parties are same.
Parties are.
Okay, same order.
Obliged.
Lordship, I am challenging the transfer order at page 21, annexure 1.
Yes.
Transfer order says, in the interest of public service, the following primary teacher and 10 graduate teachers are hereby transferred and posted to the place as shown against ease in same capacity and in the same pay scale with immediate effect. I am at serial number 4. Sri Livom Bagla, TGT Science, DDE Office to Government Residential Schools, NECAD. So I have no private respondents. I'm not replacing anyone, and nobody is coming in my place. So how and why? During APPSC fiasco, I made an application to the Directorate of this elementary education to adjust me in the department. So accordingly, I was allowed. So it was a sort of deputation that I have joined this. So my joining, I have not even completed 1 year.
Where is your joining?
Uh,
Deputation, you are on deputation.
Yeah, no, Lordship, this is, we are in the same education department. It can be said to as deputation also. But there was no tenure as such in the order. Page 28, Lordship. Sri Liwam Bagla, TGT Government Upper Primary School, Lord Putung, under the Deputy Director School Education, Itanagar Capital Complex, is hereby temporarily attached to this Directorate of Elementary Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, for the official exigencies. His pay will be drawn from DDSC Capital Complex. So this is the this was on 19th of October 2022. We are yet to I think it's almost 1 year. No, not even 1 year. 23, not even 1 year. So on 2nd November, I was released, and then after that, on 9th, page 30, Lordship, on 9th June 2023, I was given the charge in compliance of the government order number so-and-so dated Itanagar the 12th December 2022 of the Department of Finance, Planning and Investment, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, for all state startup policy. Sri Liwam Bagla, TGT, is nominated as nodal officer from Directorate of Elementary Education for startup promotion activities. Therefore, Sri Liwam Bagla, TGT, is requested to report Art Arunachal Pradesh Innovation and Investment Park at Niti Vihar for further duty of the information. Here I have joined. So in the month of 9th June 2023. Then, Lordship, after that, on 25th of August 23, I had to take leave. I have to apply leave because of my brother, demise of my brother. So I went back to my village, and since after that, again my father also expired. So till today, from 25/9/2023 to 25 August 2023 till that, I am on leave, and I have again also applied for leave, extension of leave. So 21st August, I applied for 5 days scheduled leave. Thereafter, extension of the leave that I have been allowed. That's in page 36, is a type copy. Under CCS leave rules, Sri Liwam Bagla, TGT, is hereby granted earned ex post facto leave as follows. Earned leave for a period of 30 days with effect from 25th of August 2023 to 23/9/2023 on domestic medical ground. So still I know I'm on it. If my last representation is not considered, then till today I was on leave. So during this leave, I have been transferred. So how that has been transferred? So it was not in the interest of public. So from the records, how I have been transferred. So on 14th of September 2003, prayer for extension of earned leave for another 30 days. So with effect from 26 September 2023. So this is my application that has been received by the authority. Now it is for authority to consider my extension of leave or not. So they have put up the file. Now, how I have been transferred is, it starts with page 39. Now, there was a board, as because on 3/5/2023, from that date and month onwards, it is the time for transfer and posting of teachers because of new academic session. So note number 2, as regards to the case of transfer and posting of various category teachers of both PRT and TGT from the various places of district level serving under the Department of Elementary Education may be constituted as a board of screening committee so as to select them before starting new academic session 2023-2024, for which against the following application, letters have been received from the various category of teachers, that is PRT and TGT, in different types of grounds like medical, joint posting, domestic problem, tenure, so and so. From here, the process of screening committee is started. Now, again, it says transfer and posting should be done before opening of the new academic session 2023. It seems to be late in progressing the file. So page 40, it is writing that way. Now, the main thing starts from here. Screening committee, everything was over. Now, page 41, here is letter by the Papumpare District Students Union to the Honorable Minister Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, so-and-so, Itanagar. Subject, this is where I'm agitating. Subject, complaint regarding engagement of science teachers. Up to here it's okay. Mr. Livom Bagra, TGT Science, in non-teaching activities at the Director of Elementary Education, and transfer and posting at GSS Parang under Papumpare District. This is the heading. And they say, respected sir, we all Papumpare District Students Union in non-teaching activities, especially Mr. Livom Bagra, TGT Science, byte number so-and-so, dated 19 October 2022, signed by Obuk Panor, joint DDE, which the approval was not taken from the competent authority at the Director of Elementary Education in Arunachal Pradesh. So on body of this, now in between, last paragraph in between with the handwritten, Honorable Minister is writing, Secretary Education, do put up urgently. That was on 13/7/2023. Then this, on the basis of this, the file was again put up and page 45. Not 59. Page, in addition to above para, the number 2, Sri Livom Bagra, TGT Science Director of Director Elementary to Government Resident in School Nekar under Papumpare District. So on 8/8/2023, the Honorable Minister is putting up this. Then page 47, note 15. The following primary teachers and trained graduate teachers from the different places of the district has submitted an application for seeking transfer and posting and recommended by the Honorable Minister and MLA for transfer and posting of teachers. Tabulation format as shown below, and all related documents submitted by the incumbent has placed at correspondence site may please be seen at so-and-so, so-and-so. Approval by that so-and-so dated 24/5/2023 by the competent authority and board has constituted on 26 May at the chamber of the Directorate Elementary Education Itanagar. A prepared list of teachers and screening committee constituted also placed at the correspondence site may please be seen at DFS so-and-so. Now, page 48. This is very interesting. This is a table. Transfer and posting of following teachers, PRT, TGT from various districts. Number 1, heading, name of applicant, then DSG, then seeking for place of posting, district, ground, recommended by. So this recommended by, if we go by this, 1, Mama Natung, Honorable Minister, then 4, Tesi Kaso, Honorable MLA, 6, Kaling Moyong, Honorable MLA, then 10, recommended by Honorable Minister Education, then 11, Honorable Minister Tourism and Transport. So, and 15, next page is Junglu, recommended by Honorable MLA So Jinglu Namsum. Then 20, recommended by Kento Rina, Honorable Minister. Then 23, Tesi Kaso. Then 24, Deputy CM, so and so. So now, then again 29, recommended by HME, Honorable Minister Education. Then 36, Tesi Kaso. Then 39, so anyway, so, and then 43, Tagetaki, then Kaling Moyong, Kentorina, Ojing Tasing at 51. So Honorable Minister Liromova, Nyamar Kabak, so and so. So list is so long. This is up to page 63. Now, we have failed to understand whether the transfer and posting is the work of the MLAs and ministers or is for the administration or the directorate or the secretary and the commissioner. Now, again, from page 53, the board, this is regarding the case of transfer and posting, so working under the Department of Elementary Education, in which it is initiating to obtain approval from the competent authority in connection with the minutes of board of meeting on 26/5/2022 by the consisting following screening committee. So there was a screening committee, and under this screening committee, I was not there. Next page also is the final list, final second list, wherein I am not there. Then page 59. This is another note again. Type copy is at page 60. This is on 22/8/23, 22nd August 2023. Note 2. The all Papumpari Students Union have pressurized to release Sri Libom Bagla, that is me, teacher, who is attached in this Directorate of Elementary Education with immediate effect. As such, the file is being processed for decision of DDE, please. If release order is approved, order may be issued at the proper handling and taking over the charges of so-and-so. So this is Deputy Director is writing that, putting up the file. See, Note 3. Sri Livom Bagra Joint Directorate has reported me that his elder brother has expired on last Saturday at Alau. On his honor of mourning, undersigned would not be able to release on humanitarian ground. So he's the director is writing that way. Now I have submitted a representation, and that is at page 61 to the Commissioner Education, reference number so and so dated 21st of August 2023. With due respect and most humble submission, I am to state the following lines to reconsider my transfer and posting as cited in the subject reference above. I have been serving in the various schools since 2010 under the Directorate of Elementary Education. I have done certificate course of basic computer application and have computer knowledge with typing skill. As the director was in their need of computer expert to tackle the overloading work due to APPSC fiasco, illegal appointment, compiling of teachers' database, and notification of recruitment rules, etc., the department attached me to the director office by number so-and-so, dated 19/10/2022, for official exigency workload. Thereafter, I am serving the directorate with utmost sincerity, even during holidays, Saturdays, and Sundays. No official work was delayed, and all the files related to APPSC fiasco, illegal appointment, teachers' database preparation, and recruitment rules modification, etc., were cleared every day. My superior and controlling officer were fully satisfied with my sincerity and dedication. To my utter surprise, that on dated 21st/8/2023, I got my transfer order at the behest of representation made by all Papumpari District Students Union. As you are aware of the fact that there are many teachers attached in the directorate who are serving for the last 10 to 12 years. That also I have given. There are many teachers, especially of science, who are senior to me. I am the last one. I am being singled out amongst the attached teachers amount to denial and discrimination of my fundamental rights. I am regret to inform you that prior to issue of this transfer order, my elder brother, late so-and-so, office of so-and-so, Tato Siyomi, district was expired on 19/8/2023. And this morning in my family, at this morning hour, I am unable to carry out the transfer order as I am the lone bread earner of my family. My age-old father and mother are bedridden and at the verge of death. I'm told, but in the meeting, father also expired. Therefore, on humanitarian ground, my transfer order may be reconsidered and allow me to join the previous school from where I was attached to this directorate. Now, page 62, I have made a list of those teachers, list of TGT, PRT attached in the Directorate of Elementary Education. Now, serial number 3, NK Singh, Science BTech. 5, Ashish Ranjan Das, Science. He retired on 31st August 2023. But for him, again, there's a representation from the Teachers Association that 6 months extension should be given to him. And I'm told that we have given a statement that we have come to know that 6 months time extension has been given to him. Now, there are so many science teachers who can be transferred, but the last come, first go shouldn't have been there. It should have been first come, first go in case of transfer and posting. Now, Ralom Moyong, Science, he's also TGT. Livom Bagra, I am the one. And then Sri Bharat Saring, he is also in Science. So there are many teachers, but I'm pointing out the Science. There are 11, including me, so 10. That is in the elementary education. Now, in next phase is secondary education. Now, here 5 of them are there. Mrs. Nepangapang, PGT Science. Then next phase is here TGT attached in the State Project Director of Office of Integrated Scheme for School Education, ISSE. Sri Jitu Rigia, TGT Science, Rajiv Lomdak Science. So 4 of them are also there. So now page 65 is a representation given by ATA. ATA is a Teachers Association. Representation for extension of service of Sri AR Das TGT for a period of 6 months on honorarium basis. So I'm told that he has been given extension. Now, page 68, Lordship. Here, I have 2 kids. This is Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Vivek Bihar, to whom it may concern. This is to certify that Kumari Bomter Bagra, daughter of so-and-so, and Gair Bagra is a bona fide student of our institution. She is studying in class 1 for academic session 2023-2024. Then next is, she is also there in Vivekananda thing. So Kumari Bomyo Bagra, daughter of Libom Bagra, and Srimati also is class 4. So in the mid of, now it is mid of the academic session. Now where do I put them? Then page 70. This is from Dr. Salim Ahmed. So he's a gynecologist. And at the left-hand side, you'll also find in the EDD, expected date of delivery. So this is given as 29/10/2023. 29/10/2023. So not even 1 month now. No, it's one month is there. After 1 month, there will be delivery. Then the whole, everything starts from page 71. Note number 62. Regarding engagement of science teacher Mr. Libom Bagra, TGT Science, in non-teaching activities at the DEE. A representation letter received from all Papumpare District Union, Students Union, regarding on the subject mentioned above. APPDU has stated that Libom Bagra TGT Science teacher, white number so-and-so, dated 19th October 2022, signed by Obok Panar Johnson, referred to as page number 1999, which the approval was not taken for the competent authority. Therefore, as a concerned citizen for the betterment of the students for the interest of public, APPDU has requested to the Honorable Minister of Education to take necessary intervention in this matter and transfer TGT Science teacher at GUPS Lord Potong under DDSC. So
Note 63. All Papumpari District Student Union has submitted complaint regarding engagement of teacher in non-teaching activities under Directorate of Elementary Education. It is observed that one Sri Libom Bagra, TGT GUPS Lorpotung under DDSC Capital Complex has been attached in DEE for official exigencies by order dated 19/10/2022, reference page number 99 for perusal and further order of higher authority, please. 67.
Page, right? Yeah, right. It. To Ligom Bagra, who is temporarily attached to this directorate for exigencies of work related to, number one, APPSC fiasco. Number two, official correspondence with SIC for illegal appointment. Three, all vigilance matters related to MTS teachers. Preparation of draft replies to judicial matter. Fifth, Farawais Department of High Court summon. Six, preparation of update of teachers portal. Seven, post continuation normal preparation of teachers. Eight, compilation of seniority list of PRT, TGT, MTS. Nine, all confidential related matters of establishment of directorate. Above all, Bagra is hardworking and has good command in drafting and so on so. He is an expert on computer related matter. I don't find any merit in pinpoint on a single science teacher. So I skip the other things. This is all. So this is a note by Joint Director. Then next is Sri Otemtang, Director. I agree with the points forwarded by Joint Director. I'm in short, Your Lordship. Then Secretary Pigeligo, he wants that another committee should be there. Then Commissioner Education. As agreed as proposed, please constitute committee under chairmanship of JD, Joint Director. Then reference all Papumpari Districts Union as page 74. Then Superintendent is in my he's saying Sri Ligom Bagra TGT DD office Itanagar, who is under transfer, requesting to the higher authority for reconsideration of transfer case to be retain him in his earlier various posting place in the school from where he has was supposed to have been attached to director of office. Instead, girls residential school Nankar under Papumpare district on humanitarian ground, mainly on his family problem as well as all ailing parents who are already confined to be bedridden and also a death of his so-and-so. So Deputy Director is also writing in my favor. Then page 81. Now the file has been put up to the Honorable Minister, note 83. This is where I have failed to understand. First, comply order and may submit representation. Once I comply the order, where is the question of submitting of representation? So my prayer is that since there is no one to replace me, since there are many science teachers who are senior to me who could have been transferred, so there has been a political pressure on me. Therefore, this transfer order needs to be interfered, and I pray for that.
Yes. Have you received instruction?
No, my lord, we have not received
You
instruction.
take instruction
Okay, my lord. Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Monday,
Monday, my lord. Okay.
sorry, Tuesday. 3rd October. Monday is Gandhi Jayanti.
My lord, but one thing regarding this, I don't want to make much submission since I have heard that he is my petition, employee, and there is submission of this death of his father and brother. But things here is, my lord, this order relates to date of dated 8/8/2023, my lord. So I would request, my lord, since he has bear with it so long, the interference method be sought for today.
Okay.
Before, let my instruction come first, my lord.
All right. Let him take instruction on third.
Anyway, Lordship, since I'm still in the leave, they cannot release me also.
All right. Third, Mr. A. Upon, London Senior Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Eti Jama, London Standing Counsel for the Education Department representing Respondent 1 and 2. So, on the prayer of Mr. Jama, London Standing Counsel for the Education Department, list it on 3rd of October to enable him to receive instruction in the matter.
Like,
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
By filing this writ petition, I am praying before your lordship for coercing the impugn action of the respondent authority, whereby my VRS application has been rejected. So, lordship may kindly peruse page 17. It's an annexure for minor.
You are working as what? You are working as?
As peon, I was working as a driver due to my ill health condition. Later on, substantially, I was regularized in the post of peon in the election commissioner office, election office.
When?
My lord,
Since when?
since
When was your regularized?
with retrospective, my lord, page 16 is my regularized order.
Okay,
Kindly peruse, page 16, my lord.
there's 16.
Yes, my lord. Annexure 3. Annexure 3.
Yes,
So,
with retrospect in 2001.
yes, from
Oh.
13/6/2001.
All right.
So, as such, I have completed 20 years my qualifying service in the department.
All right.
But
Hmm.
surprisingly, White letter dated 9 May 2023, my lord, last page 20.
Yes,
It's the
19.
last,
Page
yes.
19.
So, yes.
Okay,
So, by this letter, the respondent authority informed me that my qualifying service has been completed only 9 years. So,
they must have taken from 2013.
2013, but my regularization was with retrospective effect. That is, it is their only order from 13/6/2021, my lord. So I am now ill health condition, so I am entitled to go for VRS. My lord, I beg to pray that at this stage, notice may be issued upon the respondent, my lord.
Yes, there is discrepancy.
Yes,
Their record shows otherwise. According to their record,
yes.
you were regularized by an order dated 29/5/2017 with effect from 28/1/2023.
But by order dated 21 February 2013, It is clear with retrospective effect, my lord.
You can bring instruction, I think.
Yes, my.
Mr. Doctor.
My lord, here I believe my learned senior A. Apang, who is the standing counsel for the election commission. my lord.
No, he is for the State Election Commission. This
Chief
is
Electoral.
Chief Electoral Officer. You are there. I think, yeah. You serve a copy to him.
Let them file affidavit, my lord.
I think on instruction, it can be disposed of. Only date has to be ascertained.
Yes, my lord. This is certain.
Page
Electoral
16
officer.
says retrospective effect without financial benefit.
Page 16.
Yes, my lord. Now
No,
regularizing
no,
the post of
see,
with
no.
retrospective effect without financial benefit.
No, see, apart from this, date of the order itself is contradictory. This-
It talks about the fire. Yes, my lord. All financial benefits, that is yearly increment,
No.
etc. will be from date of DPC 28/1/2020, 2013. This
According-
28/1 DPC has been mentioned in this date
According to
in
him,
order.
This is the order by which he was regularized,
Yes, my lord.
21st February,
Yes, my lord.
2013.
This 28/1 has been mentioned.
According to the department, he was regularized not on 2013, 2017,
My lord, this order-
29/5. There is a vast difference.
Date of regulation of service is 28/1/13. Reference order, this is a reference order given. Length of regular services,
And his date of regularization is 28/1/2013. Is not it?
Hmm.
So Apang, you will appear. Yeah.
server copy is standing process. That notice go and.
You can, I think you can receive instruction, we'll post it on again, third. Mr. U. Deka, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. N. Ratan, learned ASV for 1,
And 4.
1 and 4. As well as Mr. A. Apang, learned senior counsel for 2 and 3. As spread to Mr. Apang, learned senior counsel representing R 2 and 3. Listed on 3rd of October
Yes,
to enable him to receive instruction in the matter. You furnish him a copy.
yes, my lord. I do.
Listed, you are a standing counsel.
Yeah.
Okay, listed on 3rd of October by showing the name of Mr. A. Apang, senior counsel and standing counsel for the chief electoral officer in the cause list. Chief electoral officer. In the cause list.
Map. This is the against the transfer order passed on 5/9/2023.
Transfer order.
My lord, when I have been transferred from my lord.
Page number
That to.
Page number?
In page number 18, 1.
18.
Here are part 1 and part 2. My name is appear in the part B. My lord, page 18, part B. I am appear in serial number 1 of the part B. BK Portal.
You are at which serial number? Serial number?
1. Serial number 1 of part B, madam. Part B.
Part B, yes, BK Prasad.
BK Prasad. Sub postmaster. Hilltop is at the Pasigat. from Hilltop to Postal Assistant Alo.
Which hilltop?
This is at Pasigat, Isian district.
Okay, hilltop is also Pasigat.
Yes,
Okay, Pasigat, from Pasigat to Alo.
Pasigat to Alo. So this order was passed on 5/9/23, whereby this has been passed on the recommendation by the Transport and the Placement Committee of the Arunachal Pradesh Division Man. Arunachal Pradesh Division Man of these are the department of the postal department. So, my lord, being aggrieved of this transfer order, I have submitted the representation, which my lord will find in page number 21, whereby my lord, my representation was particularly for two grounds. First, my lord, in page number 21. First, my superannuation is fall on 31st July 2024. Therefore, my lord, hardly 1 year to be retired from the service. Secondly,
How many years you have been there at Hilltop?
my lord, 5 years running.
5 years. Running.
My,
What is the policy, transfer policy?
my lord, so far transport policy is concerned, my lord, in the central service 3 to 6. One can stay up to the in the station in the 6 years.
What is that? Have you
My
annexed?
lord, that has not been annexed.
Hmm.
So, my lord, my basically two ground, the praying for retention is that I am with my wife, I am the joining posting with the wife. As per the, my lord, the office memorandum of 39/2009, whereby, my lord,
You are
there should
referring,
be a posting of wife.
Mr. Modi,
with
you
us.
are referring to some joint posting?
My lord,
You are referring to some joint posting?
no, my lord.
Okay, no.
Since my wife is also posted at Pasigat, so we are joint posted at Pasigat. Now, why this impugn transfer order? I will be,
Which department your wife is working?
my lord, postal department.
Or same department?
Yes, same department board.
Your wife has not been transferred?
No, my lord. Therefore, my lord, as per the office memorandum of 30 September 2009, my lord, this is pertaining to the posting of the wife and husband, man. Where, my lord, on this basis, my representation was submitted. Man.
Which page?
My lord, I am reading in the page number 21,
Let him obtain instruction.
my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, since almost, my lord, the transport orders all, but despite of my representation has been, my lord, not considered in page number 22, my lord.
No, see, today we are not aware of the transfer and posting policy. Let him obtain instruction.
My lord.
We don't know on what yardstick we will have to judge this.
My lord.
Okay.
Till then, my lord, I am seeking for, my lord, in 3 months,
3rd of October.
my lord.
Mr. C. Modi, counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
And Sora,
N. Sora,
on behalf of M. Kato, respondent number 1.
counsel. There is a private respondent also.
My lord.
She has been posted, she has been transferred in
Yes,
your place.
transport in my place. Name of the private respondent is my lord, appear in serial number 2 of the part B of transport and posting order. Man.
Then shall we issue notice?
My lord. And my lord, I am praying for till returnable, my lord, at least otherwise, my lord, something can happen.
Okay, 1 and 2. On the prayer of Mr. N. Sora, the council representing respondent 1 and 2 listed on 3rd of October. Available him to receive instruction in the matter. That is next week.
Oh,
Yeah, my lord.
Yes.
In item number 8, I am put a petitioner, my lord. I am appearing on behalf of Abhinav Prakash, my lord,
Hmm,
the leading counsel in this case, my lord.
hmm.
Due to some medical problem, my lord, he is not available today. So this matter will fix on 6th November.
8 and 9, sorry, 7 and 8.
Yes, my lord.
Read petition and arbitration petition.
Yes.
You are for the petitioner.
In item number 8, in item number 7, I am put the respondent number 3.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. T. Tagu, learned counsel for the respondent in WPC and petitioner in arbitration petition. List it on
6th November.
6th of November.
Much obliged.
But these matters are otherwise fixed for disposal. Obviously, today it is not possible.
Hmm.
But since those motions have been fixed on 6th of November, can these two also be fixed?
Oh,
Fixed?
all right.
No.
On the prayer learned counsel for the parties, list it on 6th of November. Okay.
Number 13.
Please, ma'am. My lord, respondent number, respondent department education has not filed the
My
record.
lord,
Education.
my lord, we are still, I have been making repeated communication, my lord. I may be given last chance, my lord. They are not.
What is the matter about?
It is regarding, my lord, compensation in school. We are having, running a school since independence days, my lord. But now they are claiming this compensation and job and all, my lord.
But petitioner is running a school.
No, we are running a government school since many, since independence, my lord.
Ah. Then what is the prayer of the petitioner?
Petitioner,
On your running a school since independence.
my lord. My lord. He
What is
says,
the-
my lord, 10 acres of land donated by his father. Petitioner for establishing a
On
government.
the
house
prayer
is-
of Mr. T.
Amba.
Jamal, the Standing Council of Education Department, 4 weeks further time is granted for filing of a counter affidavit.
My lord.
Listed after 4 weeks.
Yeah, please, my lord. My lord, I'm praying for an adjournment, my lord. Item 14.
How long?
My lord, after 4 weeks, my lord.
Okay. On the prayer of
It-
Mr.
Atimu.
Huh?
On behalf of S. Pandey. Atimu.
On behalf of S. Pandey, listed after 4 weeks. For the petition. Yeah.
My lord, these other matters, my lord, where permission was granted to conduct this Solong lottery.
Huh? Oh, Solung Lottery.
Yes, they have not been appearing since they obtained the entry order. my lord. Entire matter has been,
Oh, father.
yes,
Oh, father was here.
yes. yes. And I'm told no extra copies also been signed. Common orders were passed in 15 and 16, my lord. Otherwise, in item 15, nobody has appeared.
Okay, 14 and 15. No, no.
15 and 16,
Your 15 and 16 are the same.
not same, my lord, but it was take together.
No, no,
16
same means
Same in the sense-
nobody's appearing.
Yes,
The non-appearance is the same.
16 that they have appeared on times and short time. Because 16 was permission was granted, but that was cancelled. In respect of Brooksfield. This has also become involved. So I have not received.
All right. This is 282. None appears for the petitioner. Are Mr. P. Sangita, learned government advocate, petitioners. No, are Mr. P. Sangita, learned government advocate for R 1 to 4.
1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Item number 15.
Executive magistrate,
Yes. And chief secretary.
We didn't mention also.
executive magistrate
Appeal for-
4. And Mr. D. Bongi. 1 to 3 only.
No, no, why not? This is 16.
D. Bongi for R5. When this,
1 to 4.
huh?
1 to 4.
1 to 3. Now the counsel for the petitioners did not appear when the matter was called up on 18/8/2023. And 29/2023. Today also on the matter is called up, no longer appears for the petitioner. Though the name of learned counsel, Mr. Ozing Pada, representing the petitioners, have been shown in the court list. Is shown in the court list. And we have the non-appearance of the non-appearance of the learned counsel for the petitioners. As indicated here in above, the petition is still dismissed for default and non-prosecution. Interim order passed earlier stands vacated.
16 also, your worship, they are not appearing after obtaining the interim order.
Here, private respondent is not there.
They're not there.
Okay. But, and none appears for the petitioner. Had Mr. P. Sangita for government advocate for R 1, 2, 3. Same order, 18/8/2023 and 29/2023. Name of the council is G. Talo and T. Time.
Minor matter pertains to non-payment of family pension and death gratuity.
Affidavit
No,
filed.
no, man.
Mr. Deepang, council, yes. For the
Family matter, pension matter, man.
Lordship, in others, we have received the instructions, but we are yet to receive from the main
This is a case, my lord.
division for respondent number 4.
No, what is your submission? I have not followed. You have received instruction,
No,
but you have not
other
received
division-
instruction from the main respondent.
He should be the main respondent.
Mr. Deep, how much there? Then what is your submission?
Lordship, sometime.
Mr. Deep, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. I. Ram, Lalit, government advocate, who
1 to 5.
represent 1 to 5, who submits that instruction for, he is yet to receive instruction for filing of a counter affidavit from the respondent number 4, for which he pressed for and is granted for the 4 weeks time. Listed after 4 weeks.
Your lordship, some time may be given to file affidavit, your lordship. I received the instruction.
Okay, heard Miss LV,
On behalf of petitioner council Avolo.
not on behalf of your LG. Heard Miss LG, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Miss R. Vasa, Learned Government Advocate, representing all the respondents.
2 and 3.
Respondents 2 and 3 who submits that she has received instruction to file counter affidavit for which she pressed for and is granted how much time?
2 weeks, Lord.
2 weeks.
Lordship also stay order may be continued.
Okay, listed after 4 weeks. Interim order pass earlier, shall continue till the next date of listing.
May I please your,
Yes.
your lordship. Lordship, I am instructed to my lord, take some more time to my lord, file affidavit, my lord. The written affidavit is under process for filing, my lord. Within 3 weeks, my lord, that thing will be filed before the honorable court, my lord. Matter will be listed after 3 weeks.
My lord, I have a very simple prayer.
Huh?
I have a very simple prayer.
Ah,
Only to direct them to decide whether they want to acquire my land or not.
land is with whom?
Land is with me, my lord.
No
They have
issue,
assessed. my lord.
no issue, don't give.
My lord.
Even if they want to acquire, don't give, unless they pay you the money.
Right.
I have had Mr. B. Pichal on the council for the petition. And Ms. M. Katra,
Madam.
DSGY,
For all-
representing the Union of India, who pressed for and is granted, how much time?
3 weeks time, maybe,
3 weeks time for filing of a counter affidavit, listed after 4 weeks.
my lord. Deeply,
Rest next week.
my lord.
Leftover matters will be listed next week. All right?
I think in the annual 29, my lord.
Item number 29,
I want to actually withdraw the matter.
just,
So,
that is
this
very
matter-
good. You are welcome. Item 29.
29.
Just, okay, you pass in 29. Mr. O. Dugo, Learned Counsel for the petitioner on instruction. Who is for the government? Okay, please, Mr. O. Dugo, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners and Ms. P. Sangita, Learned Government Advocate. Representing respondent. Huh? 2 only, okay, 2. Mr. O. Dugong, Learned Counsel for the petitioners on instruction 6 to withdraw the writ petition. So,
My lord, with liberty, my lord.
with liberty to file a press. So, file a press, it's advice. Prayer is allowed, writ petition, this is dismissed from withdraw with liberty as prayed for.